As of December 2025, ordering Tesla parts in the US is a streamlined digital process primarily using the Tesla app and website. This video focuses on official channels, ensuring compatibility, safety, and warranty integrity. We'll cover how to order parts using the Tesla app, website, and service centers, emphasizing the convenience and security of these methods. While Tesla allows parts sales to non-owners, priority is given to vehicle owners. The Tesla mobile app on iOS and Android now fully supports parts ordering. Start by logging in with your Tesla account to access the ordering features. Within the app, browse parts by searching for your specific needs. You can view real-time inventory at nearby service centers, which helps reduce wait times significantly. Purchase parts and schedule pickups directly in the app. This feature became standard in mid-2025, making the process much more convenient. Search for specific parts, view prices, and initiate orders all within the app. Orders under $500 are typically approved quickly, streamlining the entire process. Tesla's official parts website features enhanced search filters, 3D part visualization, and compatibility checks for specific vehicle models. In 2025, AI-powered recommendations suggest related parts based on your purchase history or vehicle diagnostics. Always use official channels to avoid counterfeits and maintain your warranty. You'll need a Tesla account to place an order. Service center pickup is the most common method for obtaining Tesla parts. Tesla service centers offer convenient locations across the United States where owners can collect their orders in person. Tesla has introduced express pickup for high-demand items like brake pads and tires, allowing faster access to popular parts without waiting for scheduled service appointments. For select parts, delivery options are available through UPS or Tesla's own network, providing flexibility for owners who cannot visit a service center. However, pickup at service centers remains free and is strongly preferred for warranty claims, ensuring proper documentation and verification. When picking up parts, always bring your ID for verification and be prepared for a quick inspection to confirm the order details and vehicle compatibility. To prevent fraud, Tesla requires account verification via VIN or vehicle ownership for certain parts, especially those under warranty. Tesla implemented blockchain-based tracking for high-value parts, such as battery modules, to ensure authenticity. Be prepared to provide proof of ownership for specific components. Tesla categorizes parts into three main categories: OEM, aftermarket compatible, and refurbished. OEM parts are the original equipment manufactured by Tesla, preferred for optimal performance and reliability. Aftermarket compatible parts are third-party options that meet Tesla's standards for compatibility and safety. Refurbished parts are eco-friendly options that have been restored to working condition, often at a lower cost. Parts ordered officially through Tesla come with a 30-day return policy, allowing you to return unused items for a full refund. These parts also align with Tesla's comprehensive powertrain warranty, ensuring coverage for major vehicle components. If you receive damaged parts, you can exchange them at any Tesla service center for a replacement. Tesla part prices vary significantly depending on the component. Common items like tires typically cost between $800 and $1,200, while major components such as battery modules can range from $5,000 to $10,000. Smaller parts like brake pads are more affordable at around $150 per set, and body panels such as fender panels are approximately $500. Tesla offers discounts for vehicle owners and bundle deals to help reduce costs. For example, purchasing a complete brake kit bundle can save you 10 to 15% compared to buying individual parts. For environmental reasons, Tesla promotes reused and refurbished parts. Their program allows you to return unused parts for 50% credit toward future purchases. Inquiring about refurbished options not only helps you save money, but also supports Tesla's sustainability efforts by reducing waste. Tesla's parts ordering is trending toward full digitization, with app orders accounting for a growing percentage of purchases. As of 2025, app-based orders represent 65% of all parts purchases, up from just 40% in 2024. Sustainability is another key trend. with Tesla's parts reuse program allowing customers to purchase remanufactured parts at 20 to 50% lower costs. This program helps reduce electronic waste and aligns with Tesla's goal of 100% recyclable vehicles by 2030. An emerging trend is the integration with superchargers for parts pickup. Tesla is piloting a program where owners can collect ordered parts directly at supercharger stations, making it more convenient for those in remote areas. AI-driven predictive ordering is another exciting development. The Tesla app now uses artificial intelligence to analyze vehicle telematics data and suggest maintenance parts before issues arise, helping to reduce downtime and maintenance costs. Tesla's parts business is expected to contribute significantly to their aftermarket revenue, with projections estimating $10 to $15 billion in annual contributions by 2030. This growth reflects the expanding EV market and Tesla's strong aftermarket presence. Always check Tesla's official website or app for the latest updates, as policies and features can evolve quickly in this rapidly developing field.